Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Ford Explorer door code. First, you'll need to find your vehicle's factory set 5-digit code, which is essential for initial access. Then, I'll show you how to enter this code on the door keypad to unlock your Explorer. Finally, we'll cover the simple steps to create your own personal entry code, making future access even easier and more secure. To begin, locate your factory code. It's typically on a wallet-sized card in your owner's manual. If not there, check the driver's side door jamb for a sticker, usually near the latch. Once you have the 5-digit code, simply press each number in sequence on the exterior keypad. The doors should then unlock, granting you access to your Ford Explorer. Now let's set a personal code. First, enter the factory 5-digit code. Within 5 seconds, press the 1-2 button. Next, enter your desired new 5-digit personal code. The system will then prompt you to re-enter your new code to confirm it. Once confirmed, your personal code is active, offering a convenient way to unlock your Explorer without the factory code. If your code isn't working, first ensure your vehicle's battery isn't low, as this can affect the system. Also, inspect the keypad for any physical damage. To clear all personal codes, enter the factory code, then press and hold the 1-2 button for 2 seconds. This resets the system. For more great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.